Day 17 SO Exam Preparation General Knowledge Science or English Questions. General Knowledge. A. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Answer. Lord Mountbatten. Though. Which is the largest desert in the world? Answer. Antarctic Desert. Theme. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Answer. Kosi River. Char. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer. Bengaluru. 5. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer. Indira Gandhi. 6. Which Indian monument is also called the symbol of love? Answer. Taj Mahal. 7. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 8. Which state has the largest population in India? Answer. Uttar Pradesh. 9. Which Indian scientist is known for the Green Revolution? Answer. M.S. Swaminathan. 10. Which is the longest national highway in India? Answer. 11. Who was the first Indian to go to space? Answer. Rakesh Sharma. 12. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer. Ganges river dolphin. 13. Which state is famous for its classical dance form Bharatanatyam? Answer. Tamil Nadu. 14. Who discovered the zero in mathematics? Answer. Aryabhat. 15. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Answer. Raipur. 16. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? Answer. Udaipur. 17. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. 18. What is the currency of Sri Lanka? Answer. Sri Lanka rupee. 19. Which state has the largest forest cover in India? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. 20. Which country shares the longest land border with India? Answer. Bangladesh. Science. 21. What is the main gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer. Nitrogen. 22. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Answer. Pancreas. 23. Which type of energy is produced by the sun? Answer. Solar energy. 24. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Answer. O. 25. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Answer. Leaves. English. 26. Choose the correct synonym for benevolent. A. Cruel. B. Kind. C. Harsh. D. Angry. Answer. B. Kind. 27. Identify the correct sentence. A. He don't know the answer. B. He doesn't know the answer. C. He doesn't know the answer. D. He didn't knew the answer. Answer. C. He doesn't know the answer. 28. Find the correctly spelled word. A. Commit. B. Committee. C. Kitty. D. Committee. Answer. B. Committee. 29. Fill in the blank. They have been living here 5 years. Answer. 4. Please choose the correct antonym of victory. A. Success. B. Triumph. C. Defeat. D. Conquer. Answer. C. Defeat.